and let me hold you tight, if only for one night. Let me keep you near to ease away your fears. It would be so nice if only for one night. I won't tell a soul. No one has to know. If you wanna be totally discreet, I'll be at your side, if only for one night. What's up, y'all? I'm Dwayne Plair, and we are on the line.
Hi, welcome to On the Line. And you just got a little taste of what's in store for you. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you, if you don't already know, I'm Brittany Lee Carter. This is On the Line, and you can follow us at On the Line TV show. That's on Facebook and Twitter. You can also catch up with us and interact with us at #Watch On the Line. Tonight we got our live Facebook feed going. Y'all hit in, y'all holler at me, man at me. We just sitting here, we just kicking it. And tonight, I am so honored. I am so honored to have a guy who falls in the ranks of Bert, you know what I'm saying, Teddy, all the greats. This guy is gonna be phenomenal. Mark my words. Tonight I have with me Player of the Year, Mr. Dwayne Plair. What's up, D?
What's up, man?
How you feeling, man?
Good.
Welcome to the show, man. I am so honored, man, to really like have you here. Of course, you know I've been at you for some other endeavors. You know what I'm saying, through your agent, your puppets, Inga. Hey, Inga, what's happening, sister?
Inga?
You know what I mean? She was on the show a couple of weeks back. She's a fantastic artist in her own right, and working behind the scenes, bringing people together, and she's done helped me thus far get a different perspective of this business. But Dwayne, man, what's happening, man? Where did you come from, man?
Not much, man. I actually was born in Florida, grew up in Vegas. I moved here essentially when I was 10. Just been here ever since.
Man, you had that showmanship in you. You've been like to Florida, you grew up in Florida and Vegas, so you always had a taste of that showmanship in you, right?
That's right.
And you know, and we were talking earlier before the show, and you know, this is a small world, and I happen to know his granddad, Mr. Plair, and believe me, that's my man, very intelligent brother. You know, I like to give him a shout out. Hey, but before we go any further, you know what we got to do? We got to say happy birthday to my producer, Nahamani, and I got to thank everybody for chiming in and giving that very special happy birthday greetings to my mother, Miss Maxine Carter. Miss Maxine said, thank you all very much. I thank you. You know, she went through the mill raising me, right? So she deserves all the kudos in the world. But back to Mr. Plair. So you grew up here, you went to the School of Performing Arts.
Yep.
Talk a little bit about, you know, your earlier experiences growing up here in the city.
I came here and I went to a regular public school, Beverly, downtown.
Okay.
But I always knew that I wanted to do more different things. So like my mom and dad pretty much took me down to performing arts audition. I got in, started off doing like art and like playing the instrument, just learning the instrument because I
been playing those on like the trumpet. Then I just got into the vocal stuff, and that's really what took as a vocal. So I just honed in on that.
Okay. So that's got to be a fantastic road to walk. You got the instrumentals first.
Mm-hmm.
So you had tones. You were already keyed in on tones, and was able to distinguish notes. That's so great. But you went down and you started singing. Now I can imagine you running around the house with the brush and doing your thing.
Like I thought I was my MJ or something back in the day. Without the dance. Yeah.
But I know you can cut a rug.
Oh, get my two step on. It's pretty mean.
Right. So were you ever into anything besides the arts, like sports and that type of thing?
Performing arts, I only had the art, so like it was all that. Like it was that or nothing. But I appreciate it because it just gave me a different perspective.
Right. And everybody's not meant to be an attorney or a football athlete, that type of thing. Some guys are just blessed with gifts like yourself. You got a fantastic instrument, fantastic. And I need y'all to know now that I've been courting this brother. You know what I'm saying? What's your role gonna be?
Big Baby.
Big Baby! And that's in the play The Miracle. So you're gonna get a chance, hopefully, to catch this brother, and he, it promises to be a big bang, because we got some new songs and everything just to fit this brother, okay? So Big Baby in The Miracle, you know what I'm saying? So listen, let's talk a little bit about the erotic poetry. Why?
Yeah, it was cool. Inga reached out to me because she came to a couple of my shows with my band that I play in, and she just reached out and said, "Hey, can you come do my rock poetry thing? Just do a couple of songs." Right. So I did it once early at the end of last year, and then she asked me to come back because it was a good thing. It was a good, nice turnout, and people liked it. So then I came. We were back at Jack's Casino, and we did it.
Exactly.
And it was, it was a larger crowd, about 300 people, and after that, it's like the floodgates start opening. And
and I can attest to that because I was there.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get a chance to pull the brother over. I wanted to get a chance to pull him over and interview him. I seen him with, the showmanship clothes on. He had on, what was it, a jean outfit with some wood? Oh, it was hooked. Yeah. It was hooked, whatever, it was hooked up, whatever it was. And I could tell this brother was a superstar. And I just was dying to get an interview with him, but as you said, it was so crowded. It was like 300 plus people. Hats off again to Inga, you know what I mean?
Girlfriend's networking group.
That's what it is. Right. That's what it do, y'all. And she's doing her thing. How do you like working? Have you worked with Ingrid?
Yeah, Ingrid, Rachel. Yeah, we used to be in a band together.
Okay.
Then we started doing my own thing with the other band. We're still tight. She's a phenomenal singer herself. Great showwoman.
Yeah.
She puts it on for real.
I'm sure she does. Now, we were talking earlier, and you're not married, right?
No,
single. Hey, ladies, single ladies. This brother here say he's single. Get at him. But I'm quite sure, being the crooner that you are, and playing these packed shows, man, I'm sure you get it all. Are they tossing swinging stays up on the stage? Are you getting little secret notes and
no, I mean, it's really not what everybody expects, because usually when we get done, we're breaking down, and like we're really busy like packing up, and by the time we packed up, everybody's already out of the venue. So it doesn't happen as much as people think it is. Right. But it's, it happens during the show, like people enjoy some of the song selections and things like that.
Fantastic. Growing up in this city, I was an athlete, and I had an opportunity to go to school with the Cowboys.
Mm-hmm.
We went to Woodward, and so they were part of the pep band. So I got a chance to hear TNT Powerhouse, who later became members of Midnight Star, and other bands. And these guys were phenomenal, and I watched the road that they traveled, in their development. Man, how exciting is it, man? Have you worked with any big name artists?
We've done a little things where we open up for people like Trujillo, Cedric the Entertainer.
Okay.
We got some stuff coming up with my band. We can't talk about it yet, but it's some big things.
But you can give us the name of your band, right?
Yeah, Deuces Music. That's the crew right there. Just music all day.
Okay. I wonder, do I know any of the members? Are you able to mention their names?
David Lane, Tremaine Ivory, Jay Skills. Jay Skills has an album out. He's a great rapper, local, doing big things with Boosie Collins. He's great. His album's called Testimonialism, so get that. If you like rap, no cussing on the thing, but it's like it's polished. Great project. Tim Price, Jonathan Cowmore, and his rapper. That's a group.
Okay. So we're gonna have to get them brothers on, we'd like to get them on, get you guys back, and maybe, the whole crew can perform just for On the Line, have a night of you guys just performing.
Yeah.
I like to do that. As a matter of fact, we're gonna come out to your show. That's happening. You got a show coming up, right?
July 6th, next Friday at the Avenue. It's going down. I got some of the band members, the musicians are playing for me. It's going to be a live music. The whole nine is going down.
Okay, great. So let's talk about your music career and where it's heading. Do you have any pieces coming out? Do you have any singles coming out? Do you have something out?
Yeah, I got a single that's about to drop on July 21st called Going Crazy.
Going crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So wait a minute. Who going crazy?
No, do certain things the right way, a woman goes crazy. Okay. Well, teach then. Teach, young brother. When the song drops, it'll all be known.
Okay. And they gonna go crazy.
Hey.
Fantastic. I'm going to get that in my collection.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely, I don't know. Some might say I don't need no more crazy.
Right.
Going on. But, in your career, you had an opportunity to meet, adversity face to face. I'm quite sure you ran into some struggles along the way. How difficult is it here in this city for a young artist?
It's difficult here because Cincinnati has a culture where they're more on the cuff. They don't really like original stuff. Like when you go out to places to play music, like we're more programmed here where, if they're hot somewhere, if you get hot somewhere else, then they're like, let me listen to them.
Right.
But it's not like a lot of people don't go out and support local artists. So y'all need to get out there and support the local artists that are really doing it. Not just myself, just anybody that's doing good things, putting on for the city, support them because we need it.
And it's great that you bring that up because I talk about that all the time on my show. Whenever I have artists here, I'm making a point to talk about the unity here and and the support that we really don't have. It's a tight-knit circle. And unless somebody endorses you from somebody else, then you want to say, well, okay, I might go listen to this brother, or I might go see that. You know what I mean? But we've got some heck of a talent here in the city, great talent. As a matter of fact, this is the birthplace, for some great music, some great musicians. You know what I'm saying? I mean, James Brown said, get that young guitar player out of Cincinnati. You know what I'm saying? So he came here to get Boosie, but we have other entertainers that, they're flooded Cincinnati. My father was telling me about the days of the old Cotton Club, and how Red Fox and those types of entertainers would be here. I mean, we have them all here. So, being here at home, we would think that it would be a lot easier, for us to attract a following. So yeah, listen to the brother. Y'all come on out and support.
Cincinnati's like a melting pot of everybody, so it's like you get so many different vibes and sounds with the artists here. So it's like if you start really listening to it, like it's a lot of great artists here. I know a whole lot of them. Y'all just gotta start listening to them and support them. All y'all out there.
That's right. Let me ask you this. On a social level, it's got to be difficult growing up in this day and age. We see so much violence in our community. How has that affected, what are you, 41?
Yeah.
How has that affected a 41-year-old crooner who's trying to sing, trying to do his thing in this city, and there's so much going on around you?
For all that, you just gotta pray for everyone involved. I always live by treating people how I want to be treated, so I always try to treat people well. But as far as my music, I just make music that I love, and hopefully when people hear it, they enjoy the
out, make music you love. Does some of the motivation come from what you see around you?
It's personal experience and experiences that I see other people go through. I may hear a track, somebody sends me a track, and it just sounds like something that I might have heard in another conversation that somebody else went through. Some things are directly personal to what I've been through, so it just depends.
Okay, okay. So have you gone back into the school system to, particularly the performing arts?
No, I haven't. I've been back to they built a new school a while ago. I've been down there a couple of times. But my actual old building is now like an apartment complex.
Yeah, it is. It is. And that was reminiscent of, the performing arts school in New York. And in fact, it looks similar.
Yeah.
And it had that same ambiance to it.
Yeah.
Talk about something that I'm sure you came out of school with some of the people who we hear about today. Some of the people that you went to school with that are amazing.
Gabrielle Dennis, I just saw her on the BET Awards. She went to performing arts with me. She's actually playing Whitney in the Bobby and Whitney story.
Okay.
It's coming out on BET soon, so shout out to Gab. Drew and Nick Lachey, I was in school with them.
Right.
98 degrees guys.
Right. Right. Did you ever get a chance to do anything with them?
No, they were a little bit ahead of me. Gabrielle, we were all in the same age group, but we weren't in the same, it was always cliques and stuff, but we knew her, we support, everybody else. Nick and Drew and Nick, they were a little bit ahead of me.
Right. They should have came back and got you because you blowing the nice water. We need to get behind this brother, you know what I'm saying, and support his music and support his career. He's doing some fantastic things, along with Ingrid Rachel, from the Ingrid Rachel Project. Fantastic talents. These guys not only sing, they act, great people, great human beings, love you to death already, man.
Yeah,
love you to death already. You can go, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm gonna be there for you. So what are some of your aspirations for later down the road?
I just want to make music and put it out. Whether it's 10 people to listen to it or 10 million, I just want to be true to myself.
Ooh, I like that.
And make music that I love. And again, if people write on it because they feel the same way I feel.
Right.
So that's really it. Just keep making good quality music and putting it out to what happens.
I really admire that statement because so many times we get caught up in industry, whether it's arts or athletics, and the dollar becomes the primary purpose. You forget the artistry. And you said something that really struck home with me, and it was profound. You said, well, it's 10 or 10 million, and I feel the same way. We just want to be able to perform, craft, you know what I'm saying, have an outlet for it.
Right.
And we like for y'all to come, man.
Right, yeah, come out.
You know what I'm saying? And we ain't playing with y'all. We like for y'all to come out. Let it be more than 10. Okay?
Right.
11 or 12. But,
Right.
you know what I'm saying? So, get out here and support us. There's a lot of things going on in the city this summer. How you liking what you're seeing in the city this summer?
Oh, it's crazy. It's a nice thing. The stuff at Washington Park, Fountain Square, a lot more major artists are coming and bringing their concerts here. So, it's time, for how we're welcoming other people here. We just got to start doing the same for our own.
Right. So, how far have you gone in your music in terms of city wise? Where have you been at?
I've just been local right now, but I'm working on that now. Yeah, absolutely working on that.
Right.
And we've done stuff in Columbus and local in Ohio, but haven't gone too far out.
Right. Ohio can get you out there. We get behind this brother. We can get him where he needs to go. I'm quite sure that people in Indiana. This is the tri-state, right? So Indiana, Kentucky. There's so much going on, and I'm quite sure Inga is pushing for you to get so many new venues. Love to hear about you being in a larger market. Real soon.
Look at Bryson Tiller from Louisville. BET Awards last year. So like, you can do stuff around here, and it just takes for the right people to hear it and people to catch on. It's like that.
Right. Well, you know, and we can't forget, we got to give shout outs to those who paid, like Carlos Green, you know, Sharon Longmire, her dad, Wilbur, you know, great friends of mine, you know, love you very much, Sharon, and miss your dad. You know, we're gonna do a show coming up, and we're gonna recognize Wilbur Longmire. You know, maybe you could come on and do a tribute. You know, we're gonna have some other personalities here. You know, so we're looking forward to doing that type of thing. You know, to show that even the ones that have left here, you know, come back to support young artists such as yourself. You know, and you boost up. You know, I mean, somebody's got to carry the torch, bro.
Right.
And, and you got it. You know, Ohio's missing Roberta. You know, your voice is equivalent of those that have gone on before you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So your name is an interesting name.
Yeah, that's my government.
Yeah. So your shirt, did you make those? Did you design them?
No, I didn't design it. I got the logo made, and then decided to add a little bit of edge to it with the extras on it. But yeah, so I got a couple of versions of the logo.
Okay. So do you venture off into any other markets? Speaking about the shirt, are you marketing?
Yeah.
Some things.
Marketing the shirts. I mean, I think it's a pretty nice design. We got some ladies shirts we're selling right now. Ladies get the shirts, come out to the show on the 6th, and come in and request shirts.
Okay, so are you gonna have some available at the
Yeah, there'll
venue
be
as
some
well?
available at the venue. They're available now. Inbox me.
Okay, where can you get them at?
Oh, you can just inbox me, and I'll make sure we link up and get it.
Okay, so how do they inbox you?
Dwayne Plair is my Facebook page. Instagram is Plair513, spelled the same, Plair.
Player. I got to get me one of those, you know what I'm saying, to support the brother.
Right.
You know, and I think I just might get me one in black and show up at the show on the 6th.
Okay,
man.
that's what's up.
You know what I'm saying? Be there front row and center. I just got to talking to one of my staff people that's in conjunction with the play. He handles some of the music, and Frederick Cranford. My shout outs to Fred, who's sick, and he wanted to be here tonight to get an opportunity to meet you. You know, and but Fred's gonna be in tow with me. He's a cool player too. Y'all need a cool player?
Nah. Let's see where we can fit it in and try it out.
Because Fred can go. You know, he can go. Hey, look, man, there's some other events coming up this summer, but I'd like to see you guys, man, perform somewhere like an Eden Park, down at the Pavilion, that type of thing.
Yeah. We're doing Washington Park, July 21st.
What? You was keeping a secret?
Yeah, well, this is music. We're doing July 21st, neighborhood games, we're opening that ceremony. We got some other stuff coming up too.
Okay, see, he keeping secrets,
No
y'all.
secrets. No secrets.
No, but everything has to be put out of time. I understand.
Right.
Yeah. And but we definitely gonna keep our ears and our eyes open. And of course, y'all know me. I'm gonna put it out there on the line for you. I'm always gonna let you know where we at. And where he's gonna be at. Because if he's there, I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna report live, a live reporter. So I'm there. I'm gonna be following this brother. Of course, I got a personal stake in the brother. So we're gonna be following this brother's progress, following Ingrid Rachel's progress, the whole team of Girlfriends Network. I'm saying I'm just I mean Inga and Ingrid, your crew is just just kind of like kidnapped me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all my family now. And I enjoy seeing our people meshed together. And it's amazing how Inga has brought all of you together, all the different personalities together, shaped it and allowed you to, how important is that to have someone working with you that can allow you to just blossom and be yourself?
It's important to have somebody that believes in you and supports you all together. Like the fact that she was just like, I see something special in this, we need to hone in,
Right.
get this heard other than here, because it can be bigger than this. So anybody that gets on the train and rides for it, gotta ride with them.
That's right. She's a ride or die.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a market of 700,000 people, so somebody definitely gonna see you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Somebody gonna see you, somebody's gonna hear that tune, and we got about 3 or 4 more minutes. And I'd like for you to take us out of here, man. Let us know what you need us to know about. Dwayne Plair, what's going on?
July 6th, the big thing, July 6th, next Friday, the Avenue, the show is from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It's going to be a mix of covers and originals. Ladies, y'all going to love it. Fellas, if you know anything, the ladies are going to be there, so y'all need to be there. There's going to be plenty of them there, and they're going to be feeling the R&B spirit.
Okay.
So you got to come out and do that, support that. Then I'll be doing a more intimate show. It's going to be a more intimate show, like smaller, and Rebel on July 22nd. I'll be back at the Erotic Poetry and Wine event on August 10th. I think it's going to be in Liberty.
Boy, if you haven't been to that Erotic Poetry and Wine, listen. They keep it 100 in there, and they got great entertainers such as my man Dwayne Plair. You know what I'm saying? Get there, check out English thing. The erotic wine and poetry. It is off the chain. I'm telling you, I had to leave and go home and take a cold shower. 2, 3 of them. You know what I'm saying? So
it was hot.
It was hot. It was hot. So come on out. You know what I'm saying? Support our local black artists. You know what I'm saying? We need y'all. We're not gonna take it. We need you. Too many times we go through life saying that we don't need one another. But the truth be told is that we need each other every single day of our lives. We need you in our life. We need you to stay down with us. Listen, happy birthday again to my Bonnie. Happy birthday to my mama one more time, Miss Maxine. I love you dearly, sweetie. She in Cleveland now. You know what I'm saying? She went to Cleveland on me. Hang out with my little nephew. But listen, I'm going to be out here on the line this weekend, seeing what's going on. Y'all tune in, y'all watch me, y'all follow me, y'all stay down with me. This is Ben, your guy, B. Newborn Carter, and this is On the Line with my main man, Dwayne Plair. Peace.